start with the poem Cat and the Cat and the Tree. So as you are looking, the poem which is shared on the screen. So what this poem about? That this poem is a very humorous, very funny account. What is the funny account? It is funny description that
Your
how
voice is cutting.
it will be fine soon. Okay, that how the dad is trying to climb up a tree in order to catch that cat who has sat on one part of the tree. And ultimately what happened? What were the different plans? How they were trying to go there? And dad wants to get that cat back from the tree. Now we are going to read in this poem whether he was successful in doing so or not. So let us start the poem. Have you ever seen a cat climbing a tree? Sometimes a cat may climb too high and get stuck in the tree. Yes, this happens. Otherwise, you know that cats, they are good climbers. They can climb any wall, they can climb any window, and they can jump from very high places. But sometimes when it is stuck in a tree, it is difficult to get that cat back. The poor thing can't come down without help. And without help, this cat is not coming down. It needs assistance in order to be taken down. Just a moment, please. Students are still entering the class. So, surely not like that in the poem. How would you help it? How would you help it? And Dad, a good climber. Dad is a good climber. Surely not like that in the poem. Is Dad a good climber? What were his plans? Now we will read that what plans are taken by Dad in order to climb the tree. We are going to read in this chapter. Okay, so let us start with this chapter. Sorry, with this poem. Here it is. This morning, a cat got stuck in a tree. So the poet is saying that their cat, it was stuck in the one of the branch of the tree. Dad said, right, just leave it to me. What Dad said? Don't worry, I'm here. I can bring that cat down from the tree. The tree was wobbly. Wobbly means shaking. What is the meaning of wobbly? It means shaking. It was shaking as the tree was not so strong and it's like branches, they are moving with air. The tree was tall. Yes, the tree was tall also. So it is not easy to climb that tree. Mom said, for goodness sake, don't fall. For goodness sake, don't fall. Now what mother said, don't, please be careful. You may fall down. Please take care of your health. You can fall down as it is a tall tree. Father, what father said to this? See, in the next paragraph, fall, scoffed Dad. He laughed. He said, fall, I can't. A climber like me. What means he is sure that he is a very good climber and he can climb the tree very easily. Child's play this is. He said that this is just a child play. Even a child can climb it. It is very easy for me. And you wait and see. You just wait how I climb the tree and see. He got now. So let us see what he has done in order to climb the tree. He got out the ladder from the garden shed. It slipped. He landed in the lower bed, in the flower bed. Flower bed means on the ground there were flowers which have been grown. So what happened? He got out the ladder. He has taken out his ladder. He adjusted the ladder against the tree, as you have seen in the picture. But what happened? Sometimes the ladder, they slip, and when they slip, naturally the person has to fall down. So similarly, what happened that he has fallen down while climbing from the tree. Oh, very bad. So what happened next? Never mind, said Dad, brushing the dirt off his hair and his face and his trousers and his shirt. When he has fallen to the ground, it was dust which has stuck to its clothes. So he was shedding off the dust from his hair, from his face, from his trousers and shirt. We will try plan B. So this was plan A. What was plan A? To get a ladder and climb the tree in this manner. Okay. So next is, what was plan B? So let us see what was plan B. Just a moment, please. Let me make some adjustments. Okay. So what was plan B? Let us see. We will try plan B. Stand out of the way. You remain all aside. You just see, look towards me. Mom said, don't fall again, okay? But mother, you know, always they have warning. They are always warning. She said, just wait. Don't, please wait. You should not fall down. Father said, fall again. Funny joke. Then he swung himself on a branch. It broke. So he said, fall. He said, I won't fall down. I'm a good climber. But when he has climbed the tree, what happened? He put his one of the foot on one of the branch. The branch, what happened? It broke. And he has again fallen down. That landed Wallop back on the deck. So Wallop means he was turning, moving. While turning around, he has fallen onto the deck. Deck means onto the ground. Mom said, stop it. You will break your neck. Now mom again said, you are not taking care of yourself. In this manner, your neck will break. Now see, father said, rubbish. No, we will try plan C. He said, no, this time we will try another plan. Easy is winking to a climber like me. He said, easy is winking means it's just a matter of, you can say wink only. I will immediately climb that tree. It's not easy, it's not tough. Then he climbed up high on the garden wall. Guess what? He didn't fall. So what happened? Third plan, what he did, he climbed at the garden wall, but this time he didn't fall. He gave a great leap and landed flat in the crook of the tree trunk right on the cat. So what happened? He jumped and he landed flat in the crook of the tree. Crook of the tree trunk means he landed. Let's see here like this. Okay. So he has landed up here. This. Okay. Crook of a tree means one of the strong branch of the tree which has made an angle. He landed there. And right on the cat, their cat was sitting. So what happened? Cat will jump down. And the cat gave a yell. And what, you know, when somebody would sit or fall on the cat, what would cat do? It will yell, it will shout. Okay, and sprang to the ground. And what happened? The cat has fallen to the ground. So, please ask Sponge to be safe and sound. Please ask Sponge to be like she was thinking that it was a punch on me that dad has fallen upon the cat. And finally, safely the cat has come to the ground. So it's smiling and smirking, smug as can be, but poor old dad still stuck up the tree. So finally, it's smiling and smirking. Smiling means cat is happy. Smirking means making round circles. It is moving onto the ground and he was happy that it has landed safely onto the ground. Smug as can be. It can be as happy as it could. But now what happened? Cat has fallen down, but the poor dad is still stuck on the tree. So how the poem is? Difficult or easy it was? It was very easy, okay? Right? So you feel it is easy?
Yes.
It's very easy. So what was the thing that the dad was trying to climb up the, what he was trying? He was trying to climb up the, you can say, he was trying to climb up the tree. Why he wanted to climb up the tree? In order to save the cat. Why he wanted to save the cat? Because the cat was stuck in the branch of the tree. So there he wanted to save the cat. So what are the different plans he has tried? He has tried different plans. Okay. So in the first plan A, he has took the ladder and adjusted on the bark of the tree, but the ladder, it slipped and he has fallen onto the ground. And in the second plan, what he has done? he tried to sit on one of the, you can say, on one of the branch of the tree, but the branch of the tree was weak and again he has fallen down. And in the third plan where he landed into the group of the branch where some angle is made. And finally the cat and sat on the cat and cat has fallen down. Okay, so clear? Now let us start the question answers for this that you have to do in your notebooks. First question was, why was dad sure he wouldn't fall? Why was dad sure? Yes, you can speak, those who have raised up their hands. Yes, Kanav. Yes, yes.
Ma'am, the dad assured that he would not fall because as he considered himself as a climber and he thought that climbing tree was a child's play.
Very good, Kanav. So why cat? I think that in online class, Kanav, you give better answers because there is no distraction. In class, sometimes somebody is sitting with you, you are talking with him and then you forget. Yes. So why dad sure he wouldn't fall? Dad was sure he wouldn't fall because he thought he was a perfect climber. Okay, why? Because he thought that he was a perfect climber and climbing a tree is a child play or it is an easy task. Right?
Yes.
Next question is, which phrase in the poem expresses dad's self-confidence best? How you
Phrases which express dad's self-confidence best are: first, child's play; second, easy as winking; third, a climber like me.
Very good, very good. So first is one is child's play, leave it on me, and right, just leave it to me, and is easy as winking to a climber like me. So these are the phrases you will write down in this manner. The phrases which expresses dad's self-confidence are right, just leave it to me, a child's play, and easy as winking to a climber like me. So in complete, you can say sentence form, you will write down this answer, not in points. Next is third question, describe plan A and its consequences.
The plan A was that the dad would climb ladder and would bring the cat safely, but when he started climbing, the ladder slipped and dad fall down
Onto the ground
bed.
And his clothes were spoiled with mud. Okay, so how you will write down? According to plan A, father would climb the tree with the help of a ladder. He climbed the tree, but the ladder slipped and dad has fallen onto the ground and his all clothes were soiled up with mud. Clothes were soiled up with mud. Right? Understood? That's clear, beta?
Yes.
Right. So next question is, plan C was success, but what went wrong then?
Plan C was a success as the dad was able to climb the tree, but at the moment the cat jumped on the ground and it was safely, but the dad was stuck on the tree.
Very
and
good.
the situation.
Excellent. Very good answer. It was Bhavesh. Your name is Bhavesh? Bhavesh, even I noticed in online class you are very attentive, but in class you turn out to be naughty. Right? You are a good child. Sit separately. Don't mix up with your friends. So according to plan C, the plan C was quite successful. As what happened in plan C? It was a success. Why? Because dad was successful in climbing the tree. But what happened? he jumped at the cat and the cat jumped onto the ground and reached safely. But it was not successful. The plan failed or the plan did not work as dad was stuck onto the tree. Right now, clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Next, question number 5. The cat was very happy to be on the ground. Pick out the words used to express this idea or used in this poem. Yes, which are the words? It was smiling and smirking. You can see it here. I am showing you. It is written here, see. So it's smiling and smirking, smirk as can be. Okay. So which are the phrases used? Smiling and smirking are the phrases used here. Next question. Describe the cat and the dad situation in the beginning and at the end of the poem. What was the difference in the situation or position of the cat and the dog in the starting and at the end? Yes. Yes. Can you tell?
In the beginning of the film, the cat was stuck in the tree and dad was trying to save it with various plans. But at the end, the situation totally become irony as cat jumped on the ground, but the dad stuck on the tree.
Very good. Excellent. Again, very good answer. Okay, so at the start of the poem, the cat was stuck on the tree, but the dad was on the ground and was confident that he would climb the tree in order to free the cat. But in the end of the poem, the situation was quite ironic. You know, ironic means what he thought, but what opposite happened. Okay, it was ironic. I-R-O-N-I-C. It was ironic as, how it was ironic? As the cat became free, but dad was stuck on the tree. But dad was stuck on the tree. So write this answer. Clear? All the students, is it clear? Show me your hands up, thumbs up. Is it clear? Okay, fine. Next question, please. Next question is, just a moment, Srishti. Let me enter Srishti. So the next question is, why and when did dad say each of the following? Fall, never mind, funny joke and rubbish. When he said fall, when his wife was warning him that he would fall. Okay, right? So next is never mind. When he said, never mind. See here in the poem. See here in the poem that when he has, you can say, see here, got out of the flower bed, it slipped, and he said never mind. So in the plan A, when father has taken out the ladder and the ladder slipped and he landed on the flower bed, the father, brushing the dirt off his body, he said never mind, that there is nothing to worry. Okay, so this is the answer here. Next, when he said funny joke, let us see in the poem.
He said this when his wife again cautioned that he would fall as dad has overconfidence, so for him to fell again was a funny joke.
Yes, so finally what he said, yes, see, funny joke, he said. So it was during plan B. When he tried plan B, then what happened? Dad fell again. And then what happened? Fell again And his wife again said, funny joke, right? His wife said so. It was a funny joke. And the next one is when he said, rubbish. When he said rubbish, yes, C, rubbish means during plan C, Dad landed Waller back on the deck. Okay. So during plan C, after the second fall, right, when his wife warned him that if he would again fall down, it would break his neck. What he said, what you are saying is absolute rubbish. Okay, what you are saying is absolute rubbish. So got this? Next, afterwards, we are having, okay, fine. Next is describe the cat and dad situation. This we have done, sorry. Question number 8. Do you find the poem humorous? Do you find the poem humorous? Read out lines. Yes, we found the poem humorous. It's very funny. I told you in the very starting. Okay, so what are the various, you can say, lines used here? Which are the lines? The cat gave a yell. Okay, so let us see which are humorous one. The cat gave a yell and sprang to the ground. Okay, so this is again very humorous, as cat can never yell. Okay, but it is producing a yelling sound. And now again, when the father has fallen down into the flower bed, this was again funny. Okay, ladder slipped and he landed in the flower bed is again very funny. Okay. And this one also, then he swung himself up on a branch, it broke. This was again very funny. Okay, and the last one. He landed flat on the crook of the tree right on the cat. This was again very funny. So there are different phrases which are used. It seems to be very funny, which are used in this poem. So class 7, please let me know that any doubt in these question answers. As you have to note down this chapter, these questions all in your fair notebook by tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow I'm going to collect the notebooks for it. You have enough time with you in order to complete it today. If you have any doubt now, you can ask me.